Let's go.
Let's talk about metal detecting pinpointing. Okay. I don't use the pinpoint function on my metal detectors. Okay. Very rarely, super rare. Okay. I use the wobble and backup method. Okay. Also known as the wobble method or the wiggle method, but I like wobble. I'd rather wobble than wiggle. Okay. That's just me. All right. You can wiggle if you want to wiggle. I don't care. You do what you do. All right. So here's what it is. Okay. This is the theory part of it. All right. Your double D coil has a detection zone that is a straight line down the center. Okay. It's where the two coils meet. You have a double D coil. One's a receive and one is a transmit. Okay. Your zone of detection is this straight line. And your target, I'm well prepared, is this silver dollar. Good luck. All right, so the silver dollar is here in the ground, all right? Silver dollar is in the ground, and here's your coil. You're out here detecting, and you find the target, okay? Beep, beep, beep. Oh, so you zero in on it, okay? Look, I'm going to put it in front of my one eyeball so I'm like a pirate here. Arrgh. All right. I'm watching this video and kind of look more like the Monopoly guy. All right. So you're like detecting this and you're like beep, beep, and you narrow your swing. Okay. So it's beep, 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 beep. Then you start to back up. You back your coil off the target. So it's beep, 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 beep. And it stops beeping, right? Because your coil drops off the target. So you're here, you're just making these narrow swings. Beep, 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 beep. Where's the target? Right in front of your coil. Now, make a note of where that spot is in the ground and turn yourself 90 degrees and come up here and just real quick do it again just to make sure. Just beep, 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 beep. And now you've done two directions and you've identified that target is right where my eyeball is. That's the wobble method, okay? Now, what's nice about the wobble method is, number one, you don't have to screw around with hitting a button and then deciding and hope it's in the middle of your coil. Okay, it's as quick. You'll get so fast at it that you're like beep 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 beep, and you're done. I mean, if it's really certain, don't even have to turn 90 degrees. But the thing about turning 90 degrees is you identify iron falsing this way. Okay, so if you pinpoint a target one way with your wobble method, beep 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 beep, and you turn 90 degrees and the thing has now moved like 4 inches away from where you thought it was, that's a red flag. That's a red flag for iron. Okay, iron falsing will move around when you try to pinpoint this way. So you want to try to turn 90 degrees. Okay, I don't always turn 90 degrees. I can tell by the sound, sort of, if it's iron falsing or if it's, if I'm getting a lot of iron where I'm at. If it's not a high iron area, maybe I'm going to dig it anyway. But this is easily the fastest way to pinpoint. Okay. Anyway, let me know in the comments if this is what you do or you do something else different. The other thing you can do, okay, the other thing you can do is actually tilt your coil in and just use the tip. You just the tip. Just the tip. Just sort of you can come around with your tip and that will actually help pinpoint too. That's kind of a practice thing. You just got to get a feel for that. I don't really do that too much. I find that it's easiest just to use the wobble method. It's super fast. I can almost do it, where you don't even notice. You won't even notice I'm doing it all the time. So, all right. Well, hey, have a good one, guys. This was just a quickie. Stay safe out there and swing away.
Let's go. Let's go.